What's up YouTube? It's Ray. I'm back with another video. Today we're doing this cook with me video, just a pasta that I found on Pinterest. To get started, I'm cutting up 3 cloves of garlic, and in a moment you guys are going to see me cut up some parsley. I found this recipe on Pinterest. I had some chicken and I just wanted to try something different, so I just decided to go ahead and make this recipe. This is not my recipe. I will link the recipe down below, as well as give you guys the measurements and tell you what I overall think of the recipe. So yes, this is just some Italian parsley that I'm cutting up, and I'm doing a rough chop of this parsley because I really like to see the green specks of parsley as I'm eating it. Now I have cut my chicken up with my kitchen shears, and I'm just making sure the chicken is browned on all sides because it just tastes better that way. So I think I cooked this in total probably about 4 minutes per side, 3 to 4 minutes per side, maybe less than that, just to make sure it's nice and brown. Next, I'm getting started on my sauce with some butter, the garlic that we chopped up, and I'm going to pour in a can of diced tomatoes that I got from the store. You can use fresh tomatoes if you want, but I just opted for the quicker version of the canned diced tomatoes from my store. Next, I'm going to go in with the spinach. I used a little over 2 cups of spinach, just the kind that already came in the bag, and I just threw it straight in the pan and mixed it up with the tomatoes until it wilted. Next, I am going to go ahead and start creating the base of my sauce, and you guys are going to see me add in, I cannot remember if I used heavy cream or half and half, but whichever one I used, I will put it down in the description box and tell you exactly which one I used. Now you guys, oh, and I also forgot to say that I did season my chicken with some like all-purpose seasoning, salt and pepper, as well as some Italian seasoning. And I have added the cream, as I said, and then now I'm adding Parmesan cheese. So you guys, this sauce, I wanted it to be a lot thicker than what it was. The flavors were really great in this dish, but I just like a more thicker sauce. So that's the only con that I have about this recipe. Here I am adding the pasta that I had already cooked. I didn't rinse it, I just cooked it. And now I'm adding in the chicken, and I had also cooked up some bacon prior to me filming this video, so I'm adding that in, and then I'm going to stir everything all together. So overall, you guys, this pasta was okay. The flavors came out pretty well. I just wanted to show you guys something that I had decided to try different and that I had pulled from Pinterest. So if you're interested, definitely check out the recipe. Here I am combining everything all together. And thank you guys once again so much for watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.